We are fully embracing the generative AI wave. In this video, we are going to show you how to integrate your SalesForce FAQ section with Kommunicate. For this, you will need a Kommunicate account. You can sign up for absolutely free using the link in the description. You will also need a SalesForce account. You need a bot for this tutorial. If you need help in creating our Kompose bot, that tutorial link is also given in the description. On your Kommunicate dashboard, once a bot is ready, let's go to the bot builder. Click on Settings, which is available on the top right as shown here. Now, toggle on the Connect to SalesForce FAQ button, and click on the Integrate SalesForce icon. Now, let's go to the SalesForce account. Once you log into your SalesForce account, navigate to the Service Console on the left-hand side of the page, as shown. Click on New to create a new FAQ for your SalesForce FAQ section. Select FAQ and click on Next, as shown. SalesForce will now redirect you to the FAQ section where you must enter the title of the FAQ, the URL name, and the question you want to ask. Input the details as shown. In this case, we are training the chatbot to answer where our location is, hence the question, where are you based out of, and the answer, Delaware. Make sure you hit save, and then, publish your FAQ by hitting the publish button on the top right corner as shown. It is now time to test your SalesForce FAQ integration. Go back to the Kommunicate dashboard and click on Test Your Bot. Here enter the prompt on which you have trained your FAQ bot on. For instance, when we ask the bot, where are you based out of? The bot answers as Delaware. And that's it. We have now integrated Kommunicate with SalesForce FAQs. Feel free to add as many questions as you want. Feel free to book a personalized demo using the link in the description. Subscribe and stay updated.